Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to install new Paint app with dark mode in Windows 11. Yes, you heard it right. Windows 11 update got some good news to us that we are already a new update on Paint that you can actually go on the dark mode. But first, I will show you how to manually update or manually download this Paint app on your Windows 11. You can go right here on apps.microsoft.com and then you'll find this Paint right here. But I want you to copy that link right there at the top. So you just right click your mouse and try to click that copy. Then next, open a new tab and try to search right here a store that rg-adguard or adguard that net, and then try to click this one, and then you will find a page over here. Now at the bottom you will find a box right there, so you need to paste that link right here on this box, and we'll have to change the RP into fast and then wait for a few seconds until we can have that bundle right here. And finally, as you can see here, all you need to do is just choose this Microsoft Paint 11.230.17.0 neutral and has the bundle at the end of that name. Then right click this one and click the save link as and try to find the file location. Then click on save. You will notice at the bottom left corner of your screen and notice right here. So click that one and click this skip, and then it will continue to download this folder. Now once you've done download this one, try to open the file right here, and then a message shows up right here, update Paint, so you just click this update button. Now once you've done, finally you have now your Paint app with dark mode like this on your screen right now. So we have so many features added in this Paint app actually. But for me, the best features right here is the dark mode. So actually, if you go right there at the top right corner of your screen, you'll find the settings. You can actually change the app theme or select which app theme to display. You want light, dark, or system settings. Or you can actually choose whatever you want. You can choose this light mode right there, or if you want dark mode or system settings. And then you will find at the bottom, actually in this Paint app, you will find an additional features about the zooming experience. So you'll find right here, you can click this symbol at the bottom to fit to screen the drawing or photos right here. So just like that, and you will find the percentage beside that icon. You will find here you can change the percentage and into if you want to zoom it well, or default settings right there. You can also have a slider to zoom in out of that drawing. So actually the image properties right here is improving. So as you can see, we have a lot of settings, additional features that you can set up with your Paint app. So that's it. That's how you basically update your Paint app on your Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Please consider to like to our videos and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on our next video.